Today I'm going to share how to make money online for free. So in this video what we're going to do is we'll go over the method. I'll show you exactly how this works, and what I like about this method is you can actually start creating a passive income with this, and it also brings in multiple income streams. So this is available worldwide and it's 100% free to get started with this. So what do you not need? Well, you do not need any experience or skills. You do not need to spend lots of time on this, and you do not need money or a budget for paid traffic or advertisements. So make sure you watch this video till the end, because we'll go over this step by step, and if you miss any of the steps then you will not know how to do this properly. Once I've shown you the method and we go over the steps, we'll then look at how you can actually make more money with this. We'll go over speeding up the entire process. I'll share with you how you can fast track parts of this, and then I'll also share with you some of my earnings. And these earnings over here on the screen, this is from one of my accounts, and I'll show you all of this in the video once we've gone through the method and how to set everything up. So let's jump into today's video and I'll show you exactly how you can start to make money online for free. But before all of that, if you like simple ways to make money online and work from home, then subscribe to the channel and hit notifications, and then you'll always know when I've uploaded a new video. And if you want some free resources to make money online, come over to my blog and check out my free members area. All of the things that you see on the screen right now, they're all absolutely free and waiting for you. Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School, and welcome to today's video. So in this video I'm going to share this method with you to make money online, which you can get started with today for free. And I'm also going to put a little twist on this. So this method is normally known as launch jacking, but don't worry, because we're not going to be focused on launch jacking. I'll show you the traditional way, but then I'll share with you a better way, and then I'll show you my earnings from doing it my way instead of the method that everyone else is teaching, and you'll be very surprised by the results. But we'll go through the first method. So if we go over here, this is a website called muncheye.com. Now what happens on here is, this is basically whenever anybody has a new product or a course that they're releasing, they list it over on here, and then affiliates can come over here and pick any of these products, and then they can basically start recommending that content or sharing that content. And then ultimately what happens is, if they recommend a product or a service and somebody purchases one of these products here, you earn an affiliate commission. So let me just find one really simple for you. So let's just go and find one of these. Well, when you're first starting out, I'd say as well, focus predominantly on Warrior Plus, because JVZoo is good, but the prices over here, they're a lot higher and they're harder to get approved for, in my opinion, from speaking from experience. So go through here and find the ones on Warrior Plus. And over on Warrior Plus as well, what you'll find is lots of these, they're 100% commission. So you can see this one here, 100%, 100%, whereas like the ones on JVZoo, they're normally on the 50% mark, whereas if you focus on Warrior Plus, you can earn 100% commission, so that's pretty good. So let's go and have a look at this one here, Lee Murray. So what would happen on here is, you'd go and find a product like this that you want to promote. You'll find some information on here about this, and you'd normally have a link here. See here where it says JV page, but Lee hasn't got one, unfortunately, so let's go back and find another one. So we'll just go on this one here, this Pixel Crafter. We'll have a quick look at this. So you can see here we've got a JV page on here. So if you click on there, it opens up and it will tell you all the information about the product. So scroll down, let's just have a look at this. What is this? So instant local landing pages. So this looks like it's creating content for local businesses perhaps. Scroll down here, you can see the sales funnel. So this is how much it is, how much you can expect to earn on here. But scroll further down the page, you know what you want to do now, JV, So you can see they pretty much provide you with everything on the page here. So why should you, where it says here, why should you mail for instant local landing pages too? It goes through and tells you all the information about the product that you would be marketing or promoting. Scroll further down the page, you'll find email swipes on here. So this is something that you could email to people about the products that you're promoting. And then here is what the product is basically. So it'll walk you through and tell you every single thing about the product. So this is the process. You would come over to Muncheye, you would go through, you'd find a product that you want to promote like this. Once you've found the product that you want to promote, you'd simply click on, scroll up to the top, maybe scroll down to the bottom. There's normally a link on here. Here, get your affiliate link. So you'd click on there and it would take you over to Warrior Plus or JVZoo, and you'd get your affiliate link. Once you've got your affiliate link, the normal or the traditional route with this is you would go ahead and create a review article. So what that means is, people, affiliate marketers, when they're going ahead and recommending a product to their email list, they'll go and email them and say, go check out this new product today. People go on Google and YouTube and they're searching for pixel crafter review, pixel crafter product review, etc. So the reason why this method, this launch jacking method, works really well is people are actively looking for the content that you're putting out there, whether that's a YouTube video, whether that is a blog article, and these people have 9 times out of 10 purchased a product in the past. So we know that the buyers, and because they're on the email list of affiliate marketers, they're very inclined to be in a buying mood when they're going on Google and YouTube and typing in product review, etc., because they're actually after more information about this. So launch jacking works very well indeed. So if you wanted to go ahead and do the traditional route of this, how would you do this? Well, there's a couple of ways you could do this. You could go ahead and create a free blog, and you can do this on websites like Blogger, Wix, WordPress, etc. And what you can do is you can come over to this JV page here, and you can simply take bits from here. So you could do screenshots from here, you could take some of the email swipe content from here, and basically you put all of this together into a blog article. It's really simple stuff, and then within your blog article you include a link to your product that you're recommending, basically. So you can do blog articles for free, and I mean, I've got one over here. This is over on what website is it? This is on blogspot.com. You can see on here these are some different types of review articles on here, but this is a website which is free, so you can go ahead and just create your content on here for free. The best, well, in my opinion, the best way is going over to YouTube and creating a review video. So this was a recent product which launched in the marketplace. It was called the Compoundly method, and you can see people are doing this exact strategy and method to make money online, which is doing these review videos. Now, when it comes to YouTube, lots of people get put off by that because they think, I don't want to be on camera, I don't want to have to speak. And whilst that may be a stumbling block for many people, there's a number of ways around this. So if we go back over to, let's go over to this page here. On here, you'll normally find a video or multiple videos that you can basically download. So you can go ahead, like there's a video here, you could download this. Scroll down to the bottom, we'll see if there's any more on here. Doesn't look like there's any more. Oh, hang on, we've got a video here, so here are some examples of this. So if you didn't want to put your face on camera, well, you don't have to. What you can actually do is you could go ahead, you could download this video, you could download the video at the top, and you could literally put them together and upload that. And you can use free software for this. You can use software like Screencast-O-Matic, you can use HitFilm for Express, and there's a number of free freeware, a number of free software tools that you can use for this. Another option for you is what you could do is you could go over to the sales page and you could just take screenshots of little parts of this, and you could put them all together on Google Slides, and you could just do a presentation where you talk over the top of them. You do not have to be on camera if you don't want to be. You really don't. So this here is the normal way of launch jacking. Now, whilst this method is great and you can make some pretty decent money with this, the issue with this, and why I recommend another method to this, is it's a very limited time frame. And what I mean by that is, scroll up to the top here, this product here, this pixelcrafterclub.com, how long do you think people are going to be going on Google and YouTube and searching for pixelcrafterclub.com? Realistically, it's probably got a time frame of 7 days. At the absolute most, you're looking at 2 weeks, and then after that, everybody's then on to the next product and the next shiny object. So you would have spent all this time creating this content for launch jacking. People will go ahead, purchase it, hopefully, but then after that 2-week time window, that work that you put in, it's now not relevant because nobody's searching for this. So the method that I use to make money online, and the method that I recommend for you, is kind of like doing a reverse pitch with this. So with this example here, you would go through here and you would have a look at this product here, and you would highlight the benefits of this, and you would put, literally, you'd find all that information on here, you'd find it on the swipes on here, you'd find that within these videos down here, and all of this stuff on here. Once you find the benefits of this product, you then can create a blog article around the benefits. You can create a YouTube video around the benefits of this. So you show the people the method, and then you say, look, this is the method, this is exactly how it works, X, Y, Z. You can do it using free tools, free resources. This is how we go about it. But if you want to fast track this and you want to make more money or make this easier for you, then there's a product over here that I recommend, and it's $10, $20, etc. Now let me give you a real life example of this, and this was over on my YouTube channel. So if I go over to, let me just go to my YouTube channel, I'll show you this. Go over here, go on videos. Now, where is it? So you see this one here, earn $298 daily. I'll drop a link to this video below. Feel free to go ahead and check this out. So this, what I've taught you so far, this is exactly what I did with this video here, right? This was around CPA marketing. So there was a product, and I did not do a review video for this. I found the information exactly how we've done. I went through it, found the benefits for this, and it was called the CPA Project. So let me just go ahead and show you. This was over on my blog. So this is a paid blog, by the way. This was on a free one, but you can see here, this is a screenshot. This is the video on here. If you scroll down here, you can see all of these images here. I'd literally took them from the sales page. It was walking through CPA marketing and how it works. Really simple stuff. So far, everything on here is just images from the sales page. All this stuff on here is images from the sales page. Then we've got some bonuses that I put together for this. Now, if you scroll up to the top, so this was the CPA Project. Now let me go ahead and show you how this one video here, how much it earned me with this method. So we'll go over to Warrior Plus. I'm just going to go on affiliate, and I'm going to go to offers. And I'm going to find the CPA Project. Oh no, sorry, let me go back to here. Go here. Sorry about that. Let me just change this around. Let me go into here and click on more. And we're going to go into, let me go into the last, I think it was last month this video was. Let's go into last month and have a scroll down of this down here. CPA Project. Maybe it wasn't last month, maybe it was this month. Let me go back up here. Let me go on this month. Click on search. Oh, here we go. The CPA Project. So you can see on here, I sent 93 sales to this product here with a 29% conversion rate, and I earned from that one video $1,246. So it's pretty cool, and it works. And you can see all of these products on here. These are all doing this method what I'm sharing with you here. So we don't create a review video, we create evergreen content. And the reason why this method works really well is not only are we creating evergreen content, so we're getting sales coming in daily from all of these products that we're recommending and sharing, because you're doing this over on because you're doing this over on YouTube, well, guess what? YouTube pays you YouTube pays you advertisements to put their little ads over the top of your videos. And to put this into context for you, go and show you this. Go over into here and I'll show you. Scroll the page down here. Let me scroll down here. So you can see, oh, hang on, let me get this. Scroll this up to here. There we go, I don't know what's going on with that. So you can see on here, this is when my channel first got monetized over on YouTube. So the first month of being monetized, I earned £1,290. Following month in April, I had $5,000. The following month of May, $4,000. June, $4,000. July, $4,000. And so far in August, I think I'm up to $3,300, something like that. So you can see here, it works really well doing this evergreen content because you earn affiliate commissions, but you also earn from YouTube. And the way that you can go ahead and get your videos to rank on YouTube and get YouTube to share the content for you, there's a number of free tools and free resources that you can do for this. So in terms of like, you need to have a decent title, a headline, description, tags, and all the other bits to go with this. So at the beginning of this video, I said to you, if you watch this till the end, I'll share with you how you can fast track this. But you've seen so far that this method to make money online, it's free because it's YouTube and affiliate marketing. So absolutely anybody can do this. You can do this from anywhere in the world. It works in absolutely any niche. And I launched a product yesterday showing you this, but in a lot more detail and how to do this. So let me quickly share this with you. But let me make it clear, if you don't want to purchase the products, you do not have to. You can go ahead, implement what I've taught you in this video, but the course, it will fast track everything for you. It goes over everything step by step. So let me quickly show you this course. Okay, so this is inside the course. As you can see, it's my course. There's my ugly mug up here. So this is the course. In total, there's 20 videos going through this method, and I share with you exactly what you need to do and what you don't need to do. So if I just scroll down here, you can see we've got method overview, we've got the platform, proof of the method, and then not only do I share on the Warrior Plus platform, I share some earnings on different affiliate platforms. So we've got Share a Sale and a couple of others. We then go over finding products, additional platforms that you can use. We look at ClickBank as well. We then go over the perfect video formula, and I share with you how to structure your videos, but not only structure your structure your video. You see here, it shares with you how to sell a product, but also has the potential to send your video viral. And I've had four so far go really viral, and I've had some go semi-viral as well. So this formula here, it works 100%. It works. It's worked on my channel. It's worked with many of the students who I've taught this to. And if I scroll down here, I've got examples of this. I'll share some videos with you. I've got Andy's channel as well. So Andy is one of the other guys who created the course with me. We've then got important parts of your video, so things you need to do and what you don't need to do. We then go over bonuses, so how to include bonuses with this. Scroll down here, we've got updates, free YouTube softwares, we cover thumbnails. I also share with you, about the review video versus the evergreen, and I do another case study with this. I then have a live example of this, building this whole campaign from start to finish, and I update you as we go through the course, and then we have a final update on here. Then also in here, I share how to create videos without being on camera or speaking, and some little unknown hacks in there as well. Come down, we have a wrapping up video, a link to the Facebook group, and then I've also got done for you bundles. So if you want to just download these videos and literally upload these and start making some money from this, then the option is there for you too. You can see on here we've got link to the product, perfect video formula, bonus page, and I also give you all of the bonuses that I use to promote and market this product here. So you'll get all of that, and it'll cost you less than $13. All of everything that I've covered there is $13. And to make it even a little bit better for you, if you decide to go ahead and pick it up today using the link below, I've also included some additional bonuses. So this is the bonus. It's called the Ultimate YouTube SEO Cheat Sheet. So it goes over things you need to have on your YouTube videos. You can see 3 tags your videos must have, 7 simple tricks for generating natural inbound links, and this is just a handful of what is included within this cheat sheet. Bonus number 2 is a YouTube growth course. So it's my own course. Again, this shares with you how I went from 0 to 1,000 subscribers in less than 7 weeks. It's got step-by-step videos, PDFs, lots more in here. There's a couple of sneak peeks within the course there. Got another course here, how to rank your videos on YouTube. This is inside the members area. So all of this here goes through absolutely everything with you, how to rank your videos on YouTube. That's a full course. You'll get that. We've then got unlimited images and videos, and again another full course, and then how to generate traffic from Quora, and again it's a full course. So you'll get access to all of those courses on there. So there's an additional 4 courses on there, and the YouTube search engine cheat sheet. You'll get access to my course here, the iPassive course, which is 20 videos in total and lots more free resources in there, and it's less than $13. So if you want to check it out, there's a link down below for you. Thank you for watching today's video. If you've got any questions, let me know, but have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.